No,
Keisha, you
Millicent.
look pregnant.
No. I'm not pregnant. I'm pregnant again. I the whole heap of Christmas food them when me eat up. I wait me put on. Samantha not even reach 1 year old yet. You think say me could have pregnant so quick again? Samantha just 9 months old. Not even one yet. What you take me for? Girl, what you take me for? Hmm? Listen to me now. Go on and leave me on. I carry Samantha go left over our grandfather yard because I forgot the cartel show. Me can't afford to make that pass me.
2 days ago, you
I
say
don't
not
have
no
my
money.
money and everything. Little money when me get for Samantha hit me I take and go there. Samantha no have nowhere I go. She not even start go to school or nothing yet. All she need a little last go. Me have to enjoy myself, me a young green girl, yeah. You go on and leave me, huh? Right. I have to make sure say Samantha alright. Me can't leave Samantha with the other pitney them in the house. You mad? Eh? Can't leave them with my sister pitney them. No, sir. Not to mention the thief in like them I use next thing them make something happen and house burn down with my picnic. my picnic my picnic me have to use to get my money. You're lucky. You know so work hard for get. Eh? Work hard for get me have to use my picnic and collect my little money, huh? Mm. Because Samantha fathers have to mine her. A three father Samantha one have. Oh. Me make sure say none of them not see the bird paper. Oh. Cause they have to stretch to me. Oh, because them no want to hear my mouth. Because my mouth not pretty. Oh. So they have to make sure. Them you nowadays, man, if you not con them and jingle them, you can't get no money from them. No money you can't get. Worse when them not get the eh? From you not let off the goods, them not let off no money. So me have to con them out, brother. Me have to con them out and collect little money from them. After me not powder no man, me not powder them up. Oh. So me have to use my picnic and collect money off of them. Oh. Because them don't want me carry them go to court. Oh. Because me don't have whole heap of things lined up to tell the judge about them. Oh. So they make sure so from them see me a come. Them have to know say money me a talk about. Oh, money. Money. Oh. And money make my meal run. Oh. I mean I joke with them. Oh. Nobody never call them. From them go there they have to let off money. Whether for them yes or no. Oh. That's why they must know who them are lie down with. Oh, you can't just get up and lie down with everybody. Oh. And make sure so them I use protection. So them name no call. But friend you go there without protection, your name have to call. Oh. you, you understand Samantha? So good you don't understand yet. Anything can talk before you can understand it. You not fully grasp yet. Oh. Alright, Millicent, alright. Me I come run go down at the hairdresser go do me ear. Because me tell you something. $100,000 me get from one of the man them for Samantha. Hmm? And me make sure me buy one $300 wig off a Sheen. Eh? $300 for the wig. Eh? And $200 for the clothes. So me well add for that a stage show there. You're not gonna believe it. So me I go down go put on the wig, put on the eyelash and things. Because And they're right up at the front of the show. And when me buy the ticket, I want other little man me can online and buy the ticket because him say I come down too. And him like me off and him want to go with me at the show. But if make him know say me got pick me and all these things. I want my friend picture me put up on my profile so he don't even know who him a come here to. But girl, me get the money already so me don't even care when him come and see me with big belly. But as me don't tell you say the Christmas food me eat and put away. Put on a lot of weight. Coming in at the new year, me have to go start go at the gym. I don't even know where me gonna get the gym money from. But it have to come because it's Samantha. Yeah. Any money me want, Samantha make me get it. Alright. See you, Millicent. See you tomorrow. If you not get to go at the show, alright, me tell you how it go.